Lilaike refuses to collab with young artists who would use her fame to pull themselves in the spotlight. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, if you don't know this artist, she's friends with Coffee and Porter J and also Chronixx, right? She's in that circle. And whenever I talk about her and I tell people who don't know about her, I always say she's next up after Coffee. She's going to be the next Coffee. Reason why I say that she have the kind of vibes. For the people who know her, you know what I mean, who might agree or might disagree with me, but we know say she kind of have a different blend. You see me I say? To me, them have a different side of music over there. So there is a clip of her circulating the internet right now with an interview that she did with Anthony Miller for ER. It's probably going to be heard on television tonight, right? Today is July 3rd, 2020. So if you're watching this video any day after that, you saw what I'm saying, it's already gone and you might know the story, right? But right now, let me tell you what I go on, because she get a bunch of backlash, right? For a little statement what she make. Anyways, I'm going to tell you what she said, and I'm going to tell you where Anthony asks her. So Anthony asks her if she get in a lot of half of her collabs, if she turning down collabs, and her exact response was this. For sure, tons and tons of people are reaching out for a collab. Some of them, I really feel like you just not there so yet for the on a song with Lilaike. To be honest, I feel like most of the people reaching out to me right now would be like upcoming artists that are seeking a way to get in their self-known or get into the business. And I am not really in support of that. I really feel like if you want something, you really and truly have to work for that. So just like how your reaction might be like, what the hell? You know what I mean? As some most people in the comment section was like going at her, you know, just hot her neck and I say, yo, she even boss yet. And most people I say, yo, if Chronixx and Porter J, they never really give her a chance, yo, to make it and Ray. You see me? But, you know what I mean? There's one person where I defend her and I go show no. You see me? Now I'm going to show you some of the comments and what people are saying. You see me? So somebody comment and say, think she needs to be more humble. I like her, but her spirit more wild. Throw me the F off. You see me? And next person say, and you know say, me never hear a big artist say this, hello hell, stay humble, okay? Another person say, I don't think I like that response. It's not something you would say openly. I am sorry because when you were upcoming, people gave you an opportunity. I like her, but oh please. So even our fans, them, you see what I say, now agree with what she say, right? Another you would say, so she forget, say a Porter J did have to bring her up on stage so she could have boss, right? Like I say, most people I say, Porter J and Chronixx them help her. Right? But me see one comment where, you know, it wasn't expected. We see Jada Kingdom. It wasn't even really a comment. She just put a, what would I say now? That had a shock emoji. Like a shock face. You see me? That's all she put there. You see me? And then now somebody say, whoa, so unpleasing hearing this. She forget she was once upcoming artist. And surprisingly still is. Don't let a record deal dazzle you. Right, so like I say, people know her and they must say, yo, we don't like what you have say still. No 5 people they must say they rate her, but them just don't like what she has say. You know, and some people respond to him and one person says she work her way through Porter J. If I saw him name spell, she's upsetting. Right? Another person say, and him do collab with her, that's how people know her. And another person says, still is an upcoming artist. So like me telling you earlier, people are say she an upcoming artist, same way. And me know say a lot of people are going to agree because, yes, she a do her thing, but, you know, she no like all the way done yet. You see what I deal with? Like, she don't make it through that big, you know what I mean? Mainstream gone, like Coffee and the rest of them. You see me? However, she have a new song when she dropped yesterday. When you can go check that out. Nice music video. I just watch it when I find this. You see me? And it's nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice. You see me? So when you check out that if you don't want to know who she be or if you just still a fan of her. So I go continue and I go tell you the one person when I see a defend her. Right? So you know all know Duttyberry from the Duttyberry show. Big pan the internet, you know what I mean? He's a media personality himself. Have him own show and everything, so he might have some kind of validation or somebody who is qualified to speak on this, I would say, you know. But let's get into film comment time. Let me tell you what he said. So him say, I have no issue with what she said. For many of us, we are not used to hearing a female who is very aware of her brand and value. Yes, she is a young artist. But to be honest, our thing is not pan, me just a try a thing level. Y'all soon see still. What's messed up is this type of comments are made by many young male artists. But for some reason, a woman has to be nicer and more accommodating with her remarks. Asa. You see me? So I might try justify, I say, yo, male artist said that, young male artist said that, where might be them on the same level as she, but nobody now attack them attack her. Anyway, somebody respond to him and say, what if Protege and Chronix had said this about her? We all need help, right? And then he replied to that and him say, I don't want to seem like I'm defending her, but I feel it's not on just upcoming artists. It is upcoming acts that just want collab without putting in real effort in their music. Protege was drawn to her because even though she knew her talent and craft was already up there. Now, where Duttyberry saying I last, no, that's important because that's how I feel that she wanted to say it. You see me, I say, me feel like she wanted to say that, but he ended up say it the wrong way. The way she said, you know what I mean, it sound like she has a yo, she bigger than them. But me feel like she has a yo, you know what I mean, if it not gonna benefit both of us to do this, we are gonna do one song, you know, gonna promote it. We are gonna do one song, people are say, I think water down and then weird. I feel like that she has a, because people deny people every day upon collab and them thing, you know what I mean? And it's no different, but like the way she said, people just say wrong. So I don't know if she a look, she can say, boy, you know what I mean, I could have said that better. Or remember this, you know, this is a 30-second clip. I don't want to see the clip. It's on my Instagram page if you want to see it. It's also on the Tropics if you want to see all of them commented and come from the Tropics. You see me? Comments are on my page too, so you can check that out if you don't want. It's Dancehall IG upon Instagram, right? But we don't know what she said after that. And you know them thing I go when time we see something I go one little interview go come up, they always show the hottest sound bite. So we don't know if she gives some more clarity after that. Maybe Anthony asks her what you mean and Ray. So we have to go wait till tonight to see that. We have to go find the interview if it's after tonight, you know what I mean? And we have to go see how she say it and see what she really say and what she really mean. But however, for now, at a 30-second right here, they're on the place, they're on the internet, and people just go at her feet. You see me? But like I said, people, like how Duttyberry said in the second and half, it's like more what I think she meant. That's just all me feel. But maybe right or wrong. And if you disagree with me, please get in the comment section and tell me. Now, if you agree with her, get in the comment section and tell me. Also, if you disagree with her or you disagree with me, you know what I mean, I have a different opinion, please get in the comment section and tell us. Now, another comment that I saw was that somebody comment that Vybz Kartel collab with Danny Boo. Now, we all know that Danny Boo just has started in music, and we know Vybz Kartel always collab with anybody. Like, pretty much anybody collab with Vybz Kartel, it would seem. You see me, I say, I don't know if a person would just start DJ yesterday want collab with Kartel, how that go, and if him really I go do it. You see me? But we know, say, you know, Renee 630, Jody Couture, Danny Boo, you know what I mean? Whole heap of other artists collab with Vybz Kartel, you know? Vybz Kartel known for that. And I don't know, like, why Vybz Kartel do it exactly. You know what I mean? He must have his reasons. It might be just that he want other artists boss and he want to give everybody a fair chance. He might see something in them. Might be in deny people too. We never know. You see me, I say? So we don't know the truth behind that. But that was a very, like, something that stand out, you know what I mean? One time I see it, I say, yeah, true, him did collab with Danny Boo and him collab with a lot of people, you see me? So we don't know. But like me, I say, people are going to just go at her for this. She herself didn't say anything. I went over to her Instagram and looked on her story, everything. As of now, and I'm making of this video, she still hasn't said anything. I don't know if she don't get it yet or she just not care, you know? But I don't know of her if be that kind of person where she always say some things where just out of pocket or nothing like that. So me now go quick for judge her and say Ray, and like me say me not see the whole thing. So me not know exactly what she mean or what she that try to say. But like I have my own opinion, and I said I think that she wanted to say it another way. It just come out wrong, you know what I mean? It just sound blunt and just sound like, yo, boom, me not work with you if you not dip on my level. But personally I don't feel that's what she want to say. You know, but big up all like people and we collab with people because that's an important thing, you know what I mean, in any industry. Even upon, you know what I mean, like a YouTuber, so we might not collab and attack with each other in a video, but you know, behind the scenes, wife that still, you know what I mean, beside the scenes, we always like send video to each other and stories and them thing that at least I do. I don't know about everybody, but me have my vloggers them when me link with and me know say yeah. You know, this may fit better on your channel than my channel or, you know, see this yet or whatever it is. You see me? And that's a form of collaboration. It's not really like exactly like doing music together, but it's a form of collaboration. So people, thank you for watching this video, and please leave a comment, you know what I mean? Just tell us what you feel about this. And if it's time watching this channel and you like this video, to subscribe.